lang to, victory lap lang to, victory lap lang to. Kaya wala mga helmet dyan dahil dahan-dahan lang naman sila.
Again, congratulations.
Finish na kasi yung karera.
Winners
Finish na yung
from
race.
day 1
Ano lang to, victory lap lang.
For all of your efforts, your preparations.
Ay!
Maraming salamat po. Thank you very much from the bottom of our hearts, from the family of K2P, on behalf of K2P run by Racing Philippines. Maraming salamat
Drew.
po sa inyong lahat. Awarding na tayo.
Lex! Bilis! Abante, 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 abante! Go! Oh, tingin sa daan! Salam!